Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes and Tools.
What if you could create anime characters, refine their style, and turn them into cinematic videos, all inside one AI platform? Today we're taking a look at KusArt and testing the power of Seedance 2.0. If you are into anime AI tools, then you already know the problem. A lot of platforms can give you one nice image, but turning that into something more complete usually means jumping between different tools, rewriting prompts over and over, or losing the style consistency you liked in the first place. So today I want to test KusArt, and I want to focus on the part that I think is most interesting right now, which is Seedance 2.0. The reason this stands out is that KusArt is built specifically around anime creation, and on the current site you can see the workflow already connects image generation, character tools, style selection, and the Seedance 2.0 video generator in one place. So the way I would actually use this is not by starting with a random test prompt. I would start with an idea for a character or scene I really want to bring to life. Let's say I want to make a polished anime-style music visual or a short character clip for social content. The first step is generating the image itself. And this is where KusArt already feels easier than general purpose tools. There's three models: the XL model for stable, beautiful anime art, the Easy model for simpler natural language prompting with style mixing, and the Niji model, which is perfect for creators who want a more artistic and unique aesthetic. On the current KusArt site, the XL side is also backed by a dedicated style library with more than 200 curated anime styles, which is a strong sign that the platform is leaning hard into anime-specific output instead of trying to be generic. What I like about that setup is that it gives you three different ways to work depending on what kind of creator you are. If you already know exactly what anime look you want, the XL model and style library makes sense because you can be more deliberate about the final aesthetic. But if you are more casual or you just want to describe the idea in plain English and move faster, the Easy model is the more beginner-friendly route. Then, for those looking for something truly standout, the KusaNiji model is a game changer. It's packed with high-quality, unique styles, and KusArt has actually built in a dedicated prompt assistant library and presets specifically for it. This makes it way easier to get that distinct Niji look here than on other platforms, where you're usually left guessing the right formulas. That matters because not everyone wants to write complex prompt formulas just to get one usable image. And when a platform is built well, it should work for both people who want more control and people who just want to create something fun quickly. After that, I would absolutely show the gallery and style pages because this is one of the easiest ways to understand whether an anime platform actually has depth or not. KusArt's site puts a lot of emphasis on style selection, gallery browsing, and community examples, and the creator brief also specifically wants the style selection page and community gallery shown so viewers can see that they can explore looks and copy inspiration more easily. This is important because anime creation is very visual. People do not just want a tool that claims it has styles, they want to see the actual aesthetic range, compare different looks, and feel like they can start from something beautiful instead of from zero every time. Now, once I have an image or an OC that I really like, the next step is refining it instead of throwing it away and regenerating from scratch. That is where the OC tools become very useful. The brief highlights OC generator and OC editor, and the live site goes much deeper on the editor. KusArt says the OC editor uses 586 visual tags across 6 categories and 60+ subcategories with ultra-high consistency, so you can change outfits, poses, expressions, and more while keeping the same character identity. It also supports multiple models inside the editor itself, including KusaPics, Medium, and Pro. For anime creators, this part is genuinely useful because one of the biggest frustrations with AI art is getting a character you love once, then struggling to keep that same face and overall identity in later edits. And this is exactly why the workflow starts making more sense. You are not just generating one random anime picture. You can build a character, refine the character, lock in the look, test different outfits or expressions, and then move that same visual direction into video. That is where Seedance 2.0 comes in. KusArt's own event page describes the Seedance 2.0 workflow as using KusArt image to video with the Seedance 2.0 engine to bring your artwork to life. So for the actual tutorial part of the video, I would take the final anime image I created, send it into the Seedance 2.0 video flow, and then test how well it turns that still artwork into a dynamic anime clip. That is the key moment. because this is where a good static creation turns into content you can actually post. What makes this interesting is that it is not just about generating motion for the sake of it. If the image is already strong, consistent, and clearly styled, then Seedance 2.0 becomes the layer that upgrades it from art into media. For anime creators, that opens up a lot of possible use cases. You can turn an OC into a short visual, create stylized music content, make social clips, or build short animations around a character concept you already developed inside the same ecosystem. And if someone wants something even more playful or viral, the platform also includes tools like AI Dance Generator, Emoji Workshop, Nano Banana, GPT Image 2, and other creator-focused features in the playground, so the workflow can go in both serious and fun directions depending on the content style you want. And the real magic happens when you combine these playground tools, like using GPT Image 2 to refine your vision before pushing it into Seedance 2.0 to create even more unique and interesting videos. Another thing that helps the platform make sense for real users is the free entry model. The brief says users get free points every day just by logging in, and the official FAQ also says free users get daily credit allowances while paid plans unlock more benefits like no watermarks and higher usage. That is a good setup for this kind of product because anime creators and hobby users usually want to explore first before they commit. So you can actually get in, test the image workflow, try different styles, see what Seedance 2.0 does with your art, and understand whether the platform fits your creative process before spending more. So my honest takeaway is this: KusArt feels most interesting when you treat it as a connected anime creation workflow instead of just one more generator. You can start with a character or idea, choose between Easy and XL, depending on how you like to create, explore the style gallery, refine the result with OC tools, and then push it into Seedance 2.0 to turn that artwork into video. That makes it much more complete than the usual experience of making one image and then figuring everything else out somewhere else. So if you want to try it yourself, click the exclusive link in the description and the pinned comment, open KusArt, claim your free daily points, and test Seedance 2.0 on a character or scene idea you actually care about. That is the fastest way to see what the platform can really do.